Okay, good morning students. So today we are going to learn finding length and breadth when area is given. Finding length and breadth when area is given. You know, area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. By using this formula you find the area of rectangle. Yes? Your given value length is given and also breadth is given, then finding the area of rectangle. But in our next exercise here given only length and area is given, then finding the breadth. Length and area is given, then finding the breadth. So which formula use here? Breadth is equal to area upon length. Area upon length. By using this formula you find the breadth, or when you finding length, so given values are area and breadth is given. Length is equal to area upon breadth. Length is equal to area upon breadth. So first you write finding length and breadth when area is given. Finding length and breadth when area is given. So you know formula, area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Length multiplied by breadth. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Then length is equal to area of rectangle upon breadth. And when you finding breadth, only interchange the breadth is equal to length goes to breadth or breadth goes to lengthless. So breadth is equal to same as it is area of rectangle upon length. Upon length. Also here first see here last example in a 18.3 example. In a fractions numbers are given, so how solve this example? So you see in a front area is given, area is equal to 4 integer pi upon 12. Example first, area is equal to 4 integer pi upon 12 centimeter square, and length is given. Length is equal to 3 integer 25 upon 27 centimeter. 25 upon 27 centimeter. So first, this is the mixed fraction value. Mixed fraction value is converted into improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is greater than denominator. You know definitions of improper fraction. Numerator is greater than denominator. So mixed fraction is converted. 12 for the 48. 48 plus 5 51 upon 12 centimeter square. Then 27 3s are 81. 27 3s are 81. 81 plus 25 106. 48 plus 5, 53 now.
53 sir.
27 3 are 81. 81 plus 25, 106 upon 27 centimeter. Then finding breadth. Breadth is equal to question mark. You solve in this way each and every example. Then breadth is equal to, you write the formula, breadth is equal to area upon length. Area upon length is equal to, we substitute the value. Area is 53 upon 12. 53 upon 12. Then length is 106 upon 27. 53. Area is 53 upon 12 centimeter square. upon 12, write down in numerator, and then a length is 106 upon 27 in a denominator. 106 upon 27 centimeter. Yes. First you write down in this way. Then division is converted into multiplication sign. You know, multiplication of fraction. Yes, or division of fraction. Division of fraction 53 upon 12. So first you write as it is. Breadth is equal to 53 upon 12 as it is. Division is converted into multiplication sign. So 27 goes to numerator or 106 goes to denominator. 27 upon 106 is equal to. Then you simplify 53 1 the 53. 53 2 the 106. 3 4 the 12.
3 9 the
27. So your answer is here 9 1 the 9 and 4 2 the 8. 9 upon 8 converted into mixed fraction. 8 1 the
8.
1 integer 1 upon 8 centimeter. This is the breadth. Understood everyone?
Yes sir.
So remaining examples you solve in this way. Understood everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
अब सर लिखो.
Wait. Then
अभी भी मत लिखो क्या?
table question number 2. Find the length. देखो question number 2 क्या है? Find length. Table 2. First table you completed. In a previous session I already completed, but also again I am explaining. But in a second table, find length. So given value, area and breadth is given. Here area. First, in the first example, area is equal to 320 square kilometer. 320 square kilometer. Then breadth is equal to 16 kilometer. 16 kilometer. Then what formula you then finding length. Length is equal to question mark. Length is equal to question mark. Then write down the formula. Length is equal to area upon breadth. Length is equal to area upon breadth. So write here length is equal to area upon breadth. Then substitute the value. Area is 320 square kilometer divides 60 kilometer. So in a 16 table, you know 16 table everyone. 16 to the 32. 16 to the 32. 16 1 the 16. 16 to the 32. 0 write down as it is. So your answer is here 20. 20 kilometer. So length is equal to,
सर हम लिखे
write down. Length is equal to 20 kilometer. This is the answer.
सर आप बोल दो
Length is equal to 20 kilometer.
सर आपने सॉल्व करने दिया
हाँ, ये सॉल्व करके दिया.
नहीं सॉल्व करने के लिए दिया
हाँ, रिमेनिंग देता हूँ. हाँ, यस.
नहीं वो नहीं यार आपने एक ही सॉल्व करके
हाँ, एक ही सॉल्व करके दिया. बाकी तुमको करना है. ऑलरेडी सॉल्व करके दिया ना, मैंने वीडियो
स्पेस
देखी
छोड़नी
है.
पड़ेगी
हाँ,
स्पेस छोड़नी पड़ेगी
मैंने क्या बोला, कंटिन्यू राइटिंग करने बोला है ना. फिर एंड देन
सर ने बोला ना
D. In a D, fourth example देखो. In a fourth example, area is 8 integer 2/3. Area 8 integer 2/3
सर बहुत
square millimeter. Then breadth is 5 integer 7/9. 5 integer 7/9 millimeter. So finding length. Same process follow here. जैसे यहाँ पे किया है वैसे ही आपको यहाँ पे करना है.
सर लेंथ फॉर
बस पहले अब इंग्लिश फ्रैक्शन का कन्वर्जन हम किस में कर लेंगे, इम्प्रॉपर में. 3 8 जा 24, 3 8 जा 24 plus 2 26/3 square millimeter. और यह 9 5 जा 45, 45 plus 7 52
52
upon 9 millimeter. And then finding length. Length is equal to question mark. Write down formula. Length is equal to area upon
rectangle
breadth. Area of rectangle upon breadth is equal to. Area is given. Area how much? 26/3.
3
Divide. Breadth is 52/9.
9
So is equal to 26/3 multiplied by 9/52. 9 goes to numerator, 52 goes to denominator. 9/52. Yes? Here division is converted into multiplication sign. So first fraction you write as it is. In second fraction take a reciprocal. Reciprocal means numerator goes to denominator, denominator goes to numerator. So you simplify 26 1 the 6, 26 2 the 52. Then 3 1 the 3, 3 3 the 9. So your answer is here 3/2 millimeter or 1 integer 1/2 millimeter. Both the answers are correct. 3/2 or 1 integer 1/2 millimeter. Yes? Write down fast. So remaining examples you do it. Only 2 tables you solve in this exercise. Exercise 18.3. Wait. Exercise 18.3. Only 2 tables are.
हमें करना है
हाँ बस. अरे अभी ये इतने सॉल्व करके दिया ना मैंने.
सर इसके बाद वाले पीरियड में करा दो मैथ
वो बंद है.